Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the MAONO USB microphone kit. You can get this product on Amazon for about $64. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality microphone kit. Setting up the microphone is very easy and only takes a few minutes. I tested the USB microphone kit for about a week and I think it's a very good product. This video was recorded using the USB microphone kit. Unfortunately, the USB microphone is quieter than my old microphone, which was connected directly to my PC sound card, so I had to turn up the Windows sound settings to 100%. Apart from that, I had absolutely no issues using this microphone. So if you're looking for a not so expensive but good quality USB microphone kit, which you can use for your YouTube videos, Twitch live streams or other voice recordings, I would recommend the MAONO USB microphone kit. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.